Hello everyone. Let's look at the interval notation for natural minor scale, in addition to the interval pattern that we discussed in the last video. So, for example, let's look at the A natural minor scale one more time, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and we already know that it is the A natural minor scale. We can notate it with interval like this, root, major second. This is minor third, all right? And the reason it is a minor third is because we have a whole step here. We have a half step here. So if you're not sure why this is a flat 3, you definitely have to go back to the interval section and do your homework there. All right. So A to C is actually a minor third degree, and we notate it as a flat 3. So if you're not familiar with interval, one very common mistake that you will make is you will assume that this note has to be a flattened note, say C flat, which is of course not the case, which is a big mistake here. So whether this one has a flat has no direct relationship to, this notation here. What it means here, the flat, what flat 3 here is trying to represent here is just a minor third interval. So let's say you're starting with E. The flat 3 of E, or the flat third of E, would be G. So it's not a G flat. It's not G flat, definitely. All right. And it could be it could even be a sharper note. Let's see if I can do. Well, it's not very common, but I can sort of do it. Let's. Okay. You can start with F sharp minor actually, and the flat 3 would actually be an A. Well, still no sharp, but you get the idea. Okay. So all you're looking for the flat 3 note here is a minor third degree. Okay. Okay, not necessarily a flattened note. Okay, in this case, it's just a C, a plain old good C. All right. So keep in mind that very important fact. Okay, you have the perfect fourth, you have the perfect fifth. Okay, same case here. You have the flat 6 or flat 6th. Okay, which is the minor 6th degree. So this one is your perfect fifth, right? And just a recap on interval. If you add another half step, that would become your minor 6, and in this case, your F. Remember, we have the same situation here. A flat 6 doesn't necessarily mean that you need a flattened note. In most cases, it's not. So you're looking for what you're really looking for is a flat 6 degree. All right. So F is the minor 6 of A. Same thing here, we want a flat 7 here, so G would be the flat 7 of A. And then you have your root again. So let's do one example here, alright? So this time let's take out, well, let's do it in, say, G minor, alright? G. This time we'll do it with interval. So we have root, major second, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, and root. Okay, major second, G, A, flat 3, G, A, B flat. This time it is a flattened note indeed. Though I arrived at that conclusion by looking at an interval instead of blindly putting a flat here. So again, you have to go back to the interval section if you're not sure why this is happening. So it's already explained there. So flat 3, minor third interval. All right. Perfect fourth, G, A, B, C. Perfect fifth, G, A, B, C, D. Minor 6, so you pretty much take the fifth and add a half step, so that should be an E flat. Okay, flat 7, you can count half step backwards, so you got a G here, right? So it should be an F. Let's do just one more. Let's do D, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's do B minor. All right. So you got your root. Flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. All right. So B, you got your C sharp. I'm looking for a major second here, right? So B to C sharp. You need a whole step. Flat 3, B, C, D. That's already a minor third. Okay. Perfect fourth, B, C, D, E. Perfect fifth, B, C, D, E, F sharp. Your perfect fifth there. So I need another half step here. So F, G. flat 7, count backwards a whole step, so that should be a, A, right? And then you have your B. Alright, so remember, you can notate your minor scale, natural minor scale like that. Alright, and remember you have flat 3, flat 6, and flat 7, and you're looking for the relevant, for the correct interval for the scale. Alright then, I'll see you in the next video where we do more practice, okay?